Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, 13 full episode of nothing. Hey, this season, guys, you know what? I think I can speak on behalf of a country by saying, which you know what? Them selegu see kids next season about Pumule Bandla. I think we've had enough of them respectfully. Anyway, guys, Amahle herself, she said it when Utiralo was saying with hangi right and Gumpumelelo, I've had enough, I'm done with him. What Amahle said Gutavia Shololona. She will never leave Umpumelelo. And listen, Utiralo did not disappoint. I am struggling to understand. You're telling me a whole season, whole 12 episodes, you've been crying about this guy wako being a red flag, which we am share in even telling Wamashe, discouraging Wamashe, and then just one event. At this last episode, all along, mind you, all along this whole season, Utirale has been crying with this guy, the way he even speaks to her. It's because Amash is here and whatnot. He comes and acts nice and use sweet words, get le proposal. But I think, guys, before the proposal, there's something maybe that went on. Maybe bas lungisili's into sabo, because even listen to the tone that Utirale uses begging into Tayake. Imagine, hey, begging your man not to break your heart. Even the tone she was using, maybe something happened, guys, because I am struggling to understand. If I was in a relationship with the person and I'm complaining about all these things, him proposing to me would even make me more mad. It would feel as if you are undermining me. It would almost feel as if you're saying, the only thing, as on Jabulisa, the only thing that I wanted was a proposal or umshato. Whereas I want to believe that Utiralo saying, I want to see a change of attitude. If they do come back next season, I don't want to hear Utiralo complain about nothing. In everything that I've said, guys, I feel like we can't deny the fact that, you know what, guys, Miss Kulumikamiso, Umpumelelo and Utireno are in love. Whether we want to call it toxic love or what, guys, abantu bayathandana. And for that, guys, I'm going to say congratulations, Tireno. But I still can't help but feeling that there's something that's just not feeling, like there's something that just feels ingati it's a miss. I don't know if it's just me, guys. Even with Tireno, fine, she posted her pictures, which is a diary session look on the show, that red dress with her ring, and she said, what a season. I don't know, guys, if I'm trying to see something that's not there. I just find it strange for a woman who should be excited about her engagement and celebrating about it to just say, what a season. Like, not even say, Uguti yazi was a so umfana or whatnot, but she does say, Uguti a man is it ogi. But I'm just like, I expect her to be, excited if this is really what she's been wanting from a man. Also, again, I realized Uguti Umpumelelo did not repost Lesas Tombe Saike or the post that she posted with her wearing the ring. I don't know yet, guys, maybe by the time this video goes up, maybe he would have put it up, or maybe let's give him a few days. But I remember when Uamahle put up her post with Ilobola Ntontoni yakhe, Umpumelelo reshared it, Umsenebu reshared it, kodwa with Utirano's one, abantu bathule. Or maybe, guys, because it was a Sunday, people were busy and tired. Let's wait throughout the week and see what's going on. I don't know, guys. Something just feels. And guys, anyway, in Zabantu, let's just park it right there, guys. I am enough with these Muselebu kids. I am sorry, guys. They must bring back their parents. Their parents is the only people that we are interested in at this point. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.